folks, Diana here from Pure Pro, and today I'm talking to you from my home massage office where I do treatments and sometimes I shoot videos. It's winter in New England and it's December and it gets dark around 3:30 in the afternoon, and I'm going to share some light with you today in the form of a new essential oil that I just brought in. It is certified organic Holy Basil essential oil. And what you need to know about Holy Basil can be summed up quickly in 3 words: clean, clear, inspire. It is a powerhouse and I can't wait to share it with you this month. The Latin name is Ocimum sanctum, and it has kind of a warm, sweet basil aroma, but it also has a hint of citrus and a hint of clove. So it's kind of a sweet, spicy combination. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for over 5,000 years. It is a powerhouse. It is steam distilled from the plant right before it blooms, which is gives it the most potency, and that is the type of oil that we have. It has 80% plus of Eugenol in it, which is the chemical constituent, maybe I could learn to speak, chemical constituent that is a pain reliever, and it's also a tremendous antioxidant as well. The Holy Basil is known as an adaptogen, which is a type of plant that helps the body's own systems manage stress. It helps you relieve stress, and it also helps to lower cortisol levels in the body. So this is the massage therapist's best friend, in my opinion. And it's also an incredible oil and plant for anti-anxiety. In the Journal of Ayurvedic and Integrative Medicine, they did a study where the Holy Basil rivaled the effectiveness of the prescription drugs like Benzodiazepines. So this is definitely something I think that you will want to have, particularly this time of year, because holidays are very stressful and anxiety-inducing for many people. It's the spicy aspect of it is really good at stimulating the breath, and it's even been used to treat asthma in a number of places with great success. It's also used a lot for calming the nervous system, and people have used it in India for millennia for meditation because it gets people to a more focused, calm, centered space. It's great antiseptic in terms of use on wounds, and it's anti-microbial when used in the air. It's just an incredible, incredible tool. They've even used it to reduce fevers and lessen the symptoms of headaches. The 2 ways that I think are best for you to use it are in a diffuser. You can use Holy Basil on its own, or below I have all the instructions to make a synergy called Bring in the Light. And it is a combination of Holy Basil, marjoram, geranium bourbon, lavender, and pink grapefruit. It is incredible, beautiful, easy to make. So that could be in a diffuser. You only need about 2 drops in a diffuser. It's very potent, and you don't need to put more than that. And then the other way to use this is to dilute it and use it topically. And you really want to dilute it because remember, 80% eugenol, which is a great pain reliever, but it is a concentrated chemical constituent. So you want to use 1 to 2 drops into 1 ounce of unscented oil, lotion, or cream. Make sure you mix it well, and then you apply it. I like to use it on the soles of the feet, and I like to use it in what I call the stressy places: neck, temples, chest, shoulders, trapezius. It's just a great tool for that kind of area. And this month, we're giving this away with orders of $50 or more. It's a $21.95 value, and the code and the information will be below on how to get this for free with your next order. And I can't wait to hear from you. I really welcome your feedback on this, and I would love to hear your stories of how it went when you were sharing the Holy Basil essential oil with your clients. So I'll wait to hear from you, and I hope everyone has happy, safe, beautiful holidays. And thank you.